9 or 10 shows on, and that is palmistry.
Which is right here. Palmistry is the study of the palms, but it's not just of the palms.
It's the interpretation of a person's past, present, and future through the study of the hands.
Yeah.
Anything about the hands, front, back, all your
The
digits,
fingernails.
your nails.
Believe it or not, your fingernails can tell
Anything
you
from
what
the
type
wrist
of
up.
person you are. The length of your fingernails compared to the length of your palm can also tell primarily what type of characteristic you are. Another thing is
Oh, and
whether or
also,
not-
the length of your middle finger to your wrist is a fairy tale or a folk, what is it?
Old wives' tale.
Old wives' tale, yes.
You know
Thank
a
you
lot
very
about
much.
old wives, right? Okay.
After 18 years, darling, you better know it.
So, as I was saying, the characteristics of the pinky curving into the hand is another palmistry thing.
Now, what about the pinky curving into the hand after an accident? Because this one was once straight.
Yes. Accidents and blemishes and injuries also
Scars.
begins to
Birthmarks.
tell you indications of what is going to be in the future. They are indications of what happened in the past.
That was
but
old age.
And that can be an indication of what is going to happen in the future. Now, if you look at a baby's hand, it's almost like they have a clean slate.
How cute.
And then you look at an
fudgy,
elderly
just want to
person's hand,
pinch their cheeks
and you
play
look
with their
at
little fingers.
their hand, and you see the thousands of lines. That is the recorded history of their life in the palm of their hand. And you can tell as the person gets older, more history is being
What
recorded
grooves get deeper.
in your hand. It's very interesting, very, very complex. I'm still at the point where to look at somebody's hand, I still need to be referring back to books and reference materials, because the slightest curvature in one direction or another and an additional line is a whole entirely new representation.
And this book
meaning.
that he has on the table is called Palmistry, written by Roz Levine. And
How to chart the lines of your destiny.
and it's a good starter book
Yes.
in order to let you know what's going on and
Gives
what's
you
happening.
in this book that the one thing that I like is the whole half of the book, back half of the book is questions. The most frequently asked questions to palm readers. And then they tell you how to check a person's palm to answer those questions. That's the thing that I like about that book the most.
All right, now to move on to the next topic.